Good evening and welcome to Bizworld. I'm Adrian Seet. Malaysia's total trade for December 2022 amounted to 236 billion ringgit, an increase of 8.6% year-on-year, with exports rising 6% year-on-year and imports rising by 12%. Chief Statistician Datuk Sri Muhammad Uzir Mahidin said Malaysia's total trade in 2022 recorded a new milestone to reach 2.8 trillion ringgit. The export performance by states showed that exports in December 2022 increased to 7.5 billion ringgit compared to the same month of the previous year. Higher exports were recorded in most states such as Johor, Sarawak and Selangor. High inflation, aggressive rate hikes and abrupt China closure with labour shortages seen in many sectors are expected to cause investors to be wary of what 2023 may bring. Chief Investment Officer of HSBC for Southeast Asia, James Cheo, said even so, there will continue to be general recovery in Malaysia's economy. The possible recession in the US will also impact the commodity prices and could weigh heavily on both corporate earnings quality and investors' position in the equity market this year. He stated that sharp falls tend to be followed by good returns in the following year, on average about 8% for bonds and 20% for stocks. He also added that input costs have been rising across the board in almost all sectors, particularly in terms of labour and raw materials.
Electric vehicles, the future of automotive industry. Their demand, what's the trend like? Are electric vehicles better for the economy? What is the future scope of electric vehicles? What are the business opportunities in the electric vehicle sector? Join me, Muhammad Ahmad Hamdan, for these and more on Money Matters this Saturday at 5 p.m. only on TV3.
Kereta Api Tanah Melayu Berhad KTMB has allocated 2.6 million ringgit for its Travel Summer campaign this year. According to its group CEO, it involves more than 208,000 tickets with a 25% discount for its electric train service ETS and express intercity service.
Mungkin setengah passenger kita mengadu kerana tidak mendapat tiket. Tetapi mereka biasanya tak dapat tiket pada masa hujung minggu atau musim perayaan. Sebenarnya kita punya total capacity pada tahun lepas, average total capacity atau load factor train kita adalah melebihi 75% ke 80%.
The special discount is only open to Malaysians with a minimum purchase of 4 adult tickets or children in one transaction. KTMB will also increase more ETS trips from the existing 32 daily trips to 34 from Padang Besar Gemas route. Malaysians are expected to continue robust travelling this year in spite of the worries circulating about global recession. The Malaysian Association of Tour and Travel Agents, MATA, said the optimism is backed by China's border reopening and political stability, which leads to strong travel demands.
We're already seeing signs of recovery in the economy. That's also being translated to a lot more positive and confident spending by consumers. Okay? So we expect this to continue throughout 2023. Secondly, as mentioned by Dato' Hamzah, travel trends have not changed. In fact, flights are full. And if you also look at the domestic market, the Malaysians have learned to travel domestically over the last 2 years. We expect this trend to continue to increase.
Malaysians are also expected to continue to spend more on travel, despite concerns on inflationary pressures. MATA targets to reach its largest sales turnover of 400 million ringgit with 250,000 visitors during its upcoming fair in March. Malaysia's passenger traffic across all local network of airports operated by Malaysia Airports Holdings (MAHB) gained momentum in 2022, registering a substantial increase to 52.7 million passenger movements compared to 10.7 million passenger movements in 2021. Domestic passengers recorded 36.2 million, for the year, reaching 69.6% of 2019 levels, while international passenger movements recorded a total of 16.5 million after 17 airlines resumed services to 32 cities. The annual growth was also supported by the introduction of new routes by 27 airlines to 38 cities. Overall, 59 airlines operated flights to 84 international and 35 domestic destinations last year. That's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Adrian Seet. Thank you for investing your time with us and keep tuning in to TV3.